Hello Libra, welcome to your November 2020 reading. Please remember that this is a general reading, so take from it what you can and leave the rest for others. Timing is fluid and the rules can be reversed. Okay, the cards that I have for you as the overall energy for the reading, they are the Dream and the Rebel. Alright, let me go forward and see past energies. Okay, let's see what else do we have for you here, Libra. Alright, so Libra, in your past, I feel like you have had big dreams, you wanted to achieve a lot of things, and you've been making plans in your mind, but somewhere you feel that either something is coming and blocking your plans or it's not working out. I also feel for some of you, you could be undermining your abilities right now. You could be feeling that either you're not good enough or your plans are just too big to come to fruition. And some of you may even feel like disposing some of these plans, or you feel like they're just not good enough for you to go ahead with. But let me tell you, it's just the trial phase you had been a part of for so long until now, Libra, and that's what made you feel so tested and your patience just out of your grip. Some of you have may even felt very angry and frustrated, but here I feel like that is almost a talk of the past. So I feel like the first 2 weeks of the month of November could feel emotionally very trying for you again. You could be all up in your head and feel as if things are not working out for you, but I see that the energetic level things are definitely moving towards the Nine of Cups, as you're very much on the verge of a breakthrough here. I feel like with the energy of the King of Swords here, very soon you could be hearing from someone, an institution or a person about them taking up your idea or how well your idea looks to them, and they want to go forward with this, and this is something you had not expected, or something even when this idea comes up, you might feel like it is it or this person or this authority comes up, it might not feel like it's too important at the surface, but once you decide to look deeper, you'll understand that one person or one institution leads to another. So it's like a chain of success beginning for you here, but you need to recognize who this is and where this is coming from. So perseverance is the key for you here in the first 2 weeks of November. You need to keep going ahead with your ideas, because I see here you're arriving at the stage of the Nine of Cups here. And I also feel, Libra, that very soon some kind of recognition or reward is coming up for you in the month of November. And I also have the Queen of Wands and the King of Wands energy here. Some of your Libras could even be meeting new people or very powerful people. Now, I don't exactly want to say that this is a twin flame or a soulmate energy, but I definitely kind of feel like someone of a lot of value or importance, very well placed person is coming into your life, and that person is going to help you go forward with your ideas. We have the card of the wheel. This is the wheel of fortune in the Rider Waite deck here, Libra. And I kind of feel like the old karmic cycle, deaths, dies, they have come to an end. And I also feel like you have been very disturbed in the past. You have been all up in your head and have sometimes felt very stretched and torn between many ideas and people, and have felt that, life is just not worth living anymore, and that you need to just leave everything behind and go ahead and do your thing. You're going to get your opportunities here. You're going to get your time. Your time is coming here in the month of November, things will begin to unfold for you. And I feel like you have wanted to go ahead and do a lot of things for yourself with the card of the dream appearing here. You see, and I feel like you have had to work very hard to keep yourself together. And with the card of the rebel, your heart has definitely worked a lot. It has not been happy in the past, and I feel like you have had to do a lot of inner work here. But somewhere I feel here, Libra, your hard work has not gone in vain, and good things are lined up here for you. They are just beginning to unfold. A situation that you felt was not going forward for you will suddenly begin to show signs of movement here. Let me see a little more for Libra. For Libra, please. For Libra, remember. What do we have for Libra for the month of November? We have the card of the Magician. Libra, I feel like you're just ready to bring your ideas out into the world, even though you felt like those ideas may not be up to the mark or you may need some revision. Um, I do feel like there is a new area of study or something that you need to, work a little more on may come up for you, or you may identify that area where you need to work a little harder for yourself. And I think you're going to do it. And with the card of the Magician, I feel like whatever you have been manifesting, the first few steps are going to show themselves to you in the month of November. And from then on, your ideas about yourself, your perception of your abilities and your hard work is going to change. You're suddenly going to feel, yes, I am on the right track. I have the card of Page of Air. So Page of Air is the Page of Swords. I also feel like you are cutting out people ties, emotions, and leaving everything behind that who were around you and those things that were around you. But definitely they were pulling out a lot of your positive energy, keeping you down and feeling low. But now here you are. You're cutting your ties from all those people. These could even be family members, these could be some friends, these could be some relatives that you're dealing with, and you could be walking away from them here, Libra, and that's good because I feel here in the cards that they were definitely draining your energy, but that you're with the card, the wheel here, your time with them is done, your karma with them is done. For Libra, please. Whoa, okay. I have the card of Nine of Fire, I have the card of the Dreamer, and I have the card of Ten of Water. Okay, Libra. So with the card of Nine of Fire, you being asked not to give up here, and whatever you have been working on to protect that, because there are people around you who might try to snatch your work or take credit for your work. I also feel like, Libra, voice or talking or speaking at the right time for whatever you want in the right place is very important. Otherwise, there are people around you who are going to take away something that you deserve and something that should you must have had. Here with the card of the Dreamer, I also feel like you are going to take a leap of faith here, and that leap of faith is going to bring in a lot of opportunities. These opportunities weren't something you have expected, but once you step into this new energy, Libra, there is no looking back. There is just no looking back. As we go forward, we see that there is the Ten of Water. So the Ten of Water is the Ten of Cups in the Rider Waite, and I feel like you're going to be very pleased with your decision. I feel like these opportunities are coming to you after the first 2 weeks of November. That's when the energies feel a lot more stable, a lot more settled, and in your mind, you could be feeling a lot more peaceful than the month of October. I feel like the month of October has been one full of confusion or turmoil for you. You could have been pulled in many directions and have wanted to make a decision, but then again, so much of introspection and going deep within, doing the inner work. Somewhere you felt that you're very exhausted and you don't know what to do. But here I feel like there's a lot of spiritual download that has happened for you in the month of October, will now begin to guide you here in the month of November. And I feel with the Ten of Water, A very, very rewarding time is coming up here for you. All the needs that you've been working very hard for so far, all the emotional needs, your financial needs, all the material needs, they are going to come up for you here. I also feel like Libra, some of you with the card of laziness, it doesn't exactly talk about being lazy, but I feel like some of you Libra have been so tired, so exhausted that you may want to take some time off for yourself and just relax. And that's all right. You could be doing that in the first 2 weeks of November. And I also feel that you Librans are praying to God to send in help. And you could be sent this help in the form of some soulmate connections or people from your soul family. But very loving and supporting relationships could come into your life here. You could meet some of these people towards the end of November. With the card of the We Are the World, I feel like these are the people you are coming in touch with, and these could be some past life connections, but very loving, healthy, happy, joyful people who will support you in one way or the other. Not all of these connections will be long term though, but they will come in to help you. You have the card of suppression. You may feel a pressure on your head for quite some time right now, Libra. But in the month of November, I feel this lifting with the card of playfulness. Suddenly, after the first 2 weeks, you might feel as if the energies have lightened and all the heaviness that was weighing you down in your mind and in your heart may feel lifted. You will feel very, very light. And once more, you'll begin to breathe. Some of you Librans are even going to go out and want to enjoy life. You may splurge on shopping. You may want to redo your home. You may redecorate. You may just want to do away with clutter. But you're wanting to make everything within you, on you, and around you beautiful here, Libra. Give me a card for the Libra, please. Yeah, you're definitely walking away from all that was a part of your life in the past, Libra. That's leading you to the place of this, feeling relaxed and a lot more. This all these cups are what they appear to me as. They appear to me as empty cups. So you're moving from the Eight of Cups to the Nine of Cups position, and we have the Nine of Cups here in your reading already. So you're moving away from that, from the Eight of Cups position. You know all that you had to do, you've done, and no longer you need to give that any more energy. And then I have the Seven of Pentacles. You Librans are going to be completely focused on your money, and that's looking good. With the card of the Hanged Man, I feel like I'm not seeing this as delays, but I feel like you are building slowly and steadily, building steps towards a bigger and a better future. And yeah, with the card of the Sun, you're headed in the right direction, Libra. In the month of November, mostly after the mid-November, you're going to come across people, opportunities, um, energy, and even those abilities in yourself that you have been suppressing. They are going to surface and take you to the energy of the sun. It's like you're going to spread your positivity in the world, and you're going to be very, very attractive at that time. You're traveling also somewhere, Libra. I feel like this is a travel related to work. You could have an opportunity or an appointment or a meeting to take care of. Some of you could even be going ahead signing contracts or hearing from people you've not heard of for a long time, or you've been hoping to hear from. But I see some of you Libras definitely traveling. Some of you Librans may even be moving home, residences, offices, or some kind of movement is there for you. Oh my God, there's a lot of movement here. Even if you people are not moving physically or moving residences or offices, I feel like a lot of shifting change is happening in your life that you're so welcoming right now with the Nine of Wands. I also feel there is someone coming here into your life who's going to help you take things forward. This is like good help coming into your life. With Two of Pentacles, I feel like, wow, okay, so this is supported with the energy of Queen of Cups and the King of Pentacles. I feel like a lot of people in the high authoritative positions are also stepping in to help you. It might not appear like that at the very first go when you come in touch with these people, but these are very powerful and nurturing people. Some of these people are already around you, or they're also looking for someone like you. and your stars are going to align very well after the mid-November. Some of you could even think about or hear or this they may start coming into your energy field from the second week of November itself, but they're coming, I see. Why do we have the Two of Pentacles here? Two of Pentacles, I feel like your intuitive abilities are going, they're going to take you to greater heights now, Libra. So all the ancestral wisdom and spiritual downloads that you've been having since the month of September, very strongly to say, after the full moon on in September, probably on the 3rd of September that was, you are gaining a lot of intuitive insights into everything, and I feel like your intuitive GPS is on right now, and that's going to take you to the right people, to the right situations, and land you in the right opportunities. So you need to pay attention to your intuition, Libra. I'm going to close it off with one more card. What advice do you have for Libra for the month of November, please? What advice do you have for Libra for the month of November, please? We have experiencing. So I feel like, Libra, you are going to go through some life experiences here. They're going to be very nurturing, very rewarding for you, but definitely you don't see them how big they are, because you are very closed off right now, Libra. It's probably because of the relationships, people, or the experiences that you've had in the past few weeks, past few months, and for some of you past few years also. But I feel like it's time to let the cloak down and go out in the world and experience things. With the card of the miser, I feel like you definitely closed off, but you are going to open up. These opportunities are going to pull you out from that comfort zone that I was talking about in your last reading, and the stressful time you've overcome. You've overcome this stressful time, Libra. And like I said in the beginning, a lot of your soulmates or past life connections who will be very healthy, joyful, and loving people, supportive people, they are coming to you. See, from the past to the present, they are coming into your life to help you here and now, Libra. So that's what I have for you, Libra, and I hope that this month turns out to be a lot better and more fruitful for you and enriching for you than the past few months. I do see in your cards what you have been through, and I wish you loads of love, luck, and success. So here is what I have for you for a read for the month of November 2020. Do give this reading a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. All the likes and comments are highly appreciated. So until we meet again, bye-bye and take care.